Top 10 potential multibagger stocks for 2025 to 2026 in India. Number 10. Urja Global Limited. Sector: Renewable Energy. Why? Operates in solar energy and EV infrastructure with a market cap of 1,087 crore rupees. Low debt to equity, 0.03, and undervalued book value, 3 rupees and 29 paise. Short-term potential: speculative interest in renewable energy could spark rallies, but penny stock nature increases risk. Risks: low EPAs, 0.05 rupees, limited liquidity, high volatility. Number 9. Bodal Chemicals Limited. Sector: Specialty Chemicals. Why? Market cap of 1,014 crore rupees with a focus on dye intermediates and specialty chemicals. Low debt to equity, 0.78, and expansion in high-demand sectors. Short-term potential: chemical sector recovery could drive short-term gains, but penny stock volatility is high. Risks: recent financial challenges, high volatility as a penny stock. Number 8. CCL Products Limited. Sector: instant coffee manufacturing. Why? India's largest instant coffee exporter, with a 38% domestic market share and global reach, 90+ countries. Strong 3-year CAGR, 32% sales, 33% profit. Short-term potential: stable demand for coffee exports could support steady gains, but less speculative upside compared to tech or EV stocks. Risks: commodity price volatility, export market competition. Number 7. Poonawalla Fincorp Limited. Sector: NBFC, non-banking financial company. Why? Strong financials, low debt, and growing loan portfolio in a high-demand credit market. Backed by a reputable promoter group. Short-term potential: rising credit demand in India could drive gains, but NBFC stocks are sensitive to interest rate changes. Risks: regulatory risks, economic slowdown affecting loan repayments. Number 6. Stylum Industries Limited. Sector: decorative laminates. Why? Asia's largest single-location laminate producer, exporting to Europe and Southeast Asia. Market cap of rupees 3,000 crore plus, with innovative products and capacity expansion. Short-term potential: export-driven growth could fuel momentum, but global demand fluctuations are a concern. Risks: currency risks, competition in export markets. Number 5. Gravita India Limited. Sector: recycling, lead and aluminum. Why? A leader in recycling, with strong export growth and a debt-free balance sheet. High ROE and consistent profit growth, 121% CAGR over 5 years. Short-term potential: green economy trends could attract investor interest, but low liquidity may cause price swings. Risks: regulatory changes, raw material price fluctuations. Number 4. Lloyds Metals and Energy Limited. Sector: metals and mining. Why? Benefits from global industrial demand and India's infrastructure growth. Market cap above 1,000 crore rupees, with multibagger potential due to strong fundamentals. Short-term potential: rising metal prices could spark short-term rallies, but commodity cycles are unpredictable. Risks: price volatility, global economic slowdown. Number 3. Rattan India Enterprises Limited. Sector: renewable energy electric vehicles. Why? Diversifying into renewable energy and EVs, aligning with India's sustainability goals. Strong 1-year returns, 150%, and growing market presence. Short-term potential: EV and green energy hype could drive speculative gains, but short-term volatility is high. Risks: sector-specific policy changes, competition. Number 2. Titagarh Rail Systems Limited. Sector: railway manufacturing. Why? specializes in railway coaches and wagons, with a market cap of 15,085 crore rupees and a 5-year CAGR of 93.18%. Benefits from India's railway modernization and export potential. Short-term potential, large order backlog, 398.7 billion rupees, and government infrastructure spending could boost stock price. Risks, dependent on government contracts, execution risks. Number 1. Kaynes Technology India Limited. Sector, electronics manufacturing. Why? A leading player in end-to-end electronics manufacturing for automotive, aerospace, defense, and IoT. Market cap of 39,943 crore rupees with a 5-year CAGR of 93.18%. Benefits from India's push for domestic manufacturing and defense modernization. Short-term potential, strong order book and government contracts could drive price momentum, but volatility in tech stocks requires caution. Risks, high PE ratio, 52.72, potential overvaluation.